Hello everyone. A warm welcome to you all from Thinknyx Technologies. We are back with yet another amazing video tutorial, and today we would be discussing about VI Editor. I'm Madhuri Jha, Technical Assistant Manager at Thinknyx. Let's look at the agenda for today. First, we would understand what is VI Editor, what are the different modes in it. Eventually, we would have a detailed discussion on how to execute the following functions in VI: moving within a file, inserting text, deleting text in a file, saving and closing the file. Towards the end of the video, we would take a glance at some of the other important key sequences associated with VI. Simultaneously, would also perform some of the important commands on terminal and get a practical demo of editing through VI. What is VI? Visual Editor, popularly called as VI, is a tool for command line file creation and editing used by system administrators in Linux. An improved version of VI Editor called Vim has also been available. Vim stands for VI Improved. VI is available in almost all Linux distributions. It works the same on different distros and platforms. Let's see the syntax of VI. VI new file name would create a file with the name new file name if the file doesn't exist. VI exist file name would open the file if the file already exists. VI -r space the file name opens the file in read-only mode. In order to work on VI, we need to understand the operation modes in VI. And there are two modes in it. First mode is command mode. VI editor opens in this mode and it understands only commands. In this mode, we can move the cursor, cut, copy, paste, and save changes in the file. Typed words act as commands and they are case sensitive. Make sure you use proper case. Second mode is the insert mode. This mode is for inserting text in the file. Just type I from the keyboard to be in insert mode. In insert mode, any key would be considered as an input. The escape key will take you to the command mode from insert mode. Let's discuss how can we move within a file in VI. You need to be in command mode in order to navigate in a file. The keys for navigation are K key pressed once would move the cursor one line up. J key would move the cursor one line down. H key would move the cursor to left. L key would move the cursor to right. Apart from these keys, you can also use arrow keys for navigation within a file. Let's find out how to insert text in VI. Lowercase I, insert text to the left of the cursor by typing I from command mode. Lowercase a as in append, is used to insert text to the right of the cursor. Uppercase A would add text to the end of the current line. Lowercase o is used to open a line below the current cursor position. Uppercase O is used to open a line above the current cursor position. Lowercase r is used to replace the character highlighted by the cursor with another character. All the commands of inserting text shifts from command mode to insert mode, but only exception is lowercase r, wherein VI automatically returns to command mode after replacement of single character. Let's see the demo of VI editor in Linux terminal. VI is the default editor in Unix and in almost all Linux distributions. You can create a new file in VI by typing vi space file.txt. Enter. You are inside the editor. By default, you will not be able to add text in it as it is in command mode. Now let's check some insert mode commands. Press I and you are inside the insert mode. Now let's type some content. Hello. Press escape lowercase a. You will start typing after the cursor location. Press escape uppercase A and you will be able to type after the last character of the current line, and you will shift to insert mode. So let's type some more content. Press escape lowercase o will open a line below the current line and shift to insert mode. I can add some text. Press escape uppercase O will open a new line above the current line and shift to insert mode. To shift to command mode, press escape. You are in the command mode. Now let's learn about how to save and quit the file. We need to be in command mode. These commands are also called the commands of last line mode. There are several commands for it. :WQ is used in VI to save and quit. :X is the command to save and quit, and only hack of this is if no changes are done, the date and modification time doesn't get registered only for opening the file. But in case of :WQ, though there is no change, the time is updated for opening the file. ZZ or ZZ, the shortcut key sequence to save and quit the file. We can also use the lowercase ZZ. :Q and an exclamation mark. In any case, if you feel you wish to quit without saving the changes, or you can say forceful quit, we use :Q and an exclamation mark. :Q is also used for quitting VI, but if any changes are made to the file, it would ask for confirmation before exiting. :W test file name is similar to save as. If you wish to save the file by a different name, we use this command. Let's explore deleting text in VI. These commands are executed in command mode. Lowercase dd deletes the current line where cursor is placed. DW, position the cursor at the beginning of the word and type DW, it will delete the word. DNW deletes n words from the cursor position. X deletes a character on cursor. D and parenthesis deletes the character from current cursor position to end of the sentence. Uppercase D deletes from current cursor position to end of line. Let's check for some more commands. You can also edit an existing file. ls now. Type vi exist file.txt. Enter. You can edit the content over here. You can see some lines with almost no content. Let's delete them. dd in command mode would delete the current line. We can move around by arrow keys in command mode. It's here. There is an extra word, infra. To delete the word, take the cursor to beginning of the word infra and press DW. And you can see the infra is gone. Extra I over here, X will delete the character on the cursor. After you have completed editing, let's save by escape to come to command mode. :W to save the file. :WQ to save and exit. Here in this section, we would be discussing some more commands which would be important while editing a file in VI, like /string in command mode is used to search the particular string from the cursor location. It will highlight the first occurrence of string and then press lowercase n repeatedly to highlight the next occurrences of the string till the end of the file. :set number would be used to show the line numbers in the file. :set no number to turn off the line numbers. Uppercase G to put the cursor to the last line of the file. Lowercase gg to put the cursor to first line of the file. Lowercase u undo the previous command. Control and uppercase R to redo the previous command which was undone. NYY to yank or copy n number of lines to clipboard. P will be used to paste the contents which was copied in buffer. Now let's check some of the other important commands on VI. Uppercase G will take you to the last line of the file. Lowercase gg will take the cursor to first line of the file. We can set number in the file by escape:set number. And you can see the numberings on the lines. You can remove the number by escape:set no number. And the numberings are gone. Now let's find and replace string in VI. If you want to find on, if you can see that there is one on over here and another on over here. If you want to find on and replace it by in, then press escape:s, the string you are looking for, on, and then the string with which you want to replace in, and enter. You can see that first on has been replaced by in. If you want to replace the string globally, then escape:on/in/g will replace it globally. You can see that it has been replaced at all the places of on. Done with the task, let's save the file with the shortcut Shift+ZZ, and this is the shortcut to save and quit the file. There are several other commands. You can practice them and be a pro in editing a file in VI. Now let's move to the tip of the tutorial. Case sensitive. You must have observed by now that VI editor is case sensitive. So make sure you use proper case for appropriate output. Lowercase p will paste text after the current line. Uppercase P will paste text before current line. Lowercase I would be inserting text before the current cursor location. Uppercase I will be inserting characters at the beginning of the current line. Save and quit. It's been ages, but still it is a puzzle for many. A very important info, or you can say difference between :x and :wq. Both are used in VI to save and quit the file. :x changes the modification time only if the file is modified, and :wq, no matter what, if you just open and quit without making any changes, still it will update the modification time stamp. So it is wisely said. It's always a better option to use :x to save the modified file. So this brings us to the end of this session. Let's recap what we have discussed so far. What is VI? Save and quit a file in VI, insert and delete text in VI, and at the end we had few tips of the tutorial. So this is not all for VI. It's a huge topic to discover. Discovered in 1976, it is till date system administrator's best friend. It needs lot of practice to use VI. So keep practicing. That's all for now. Keep learning, keep evolving. We will be back with more interesting videos on Linux. Thank you for watching us. We really hope you liked our video. Please like and subscribe, and also click on the link below to know more about Thinknyx. Bye. We shall see you in our next video. Stay tuned for more updates from us.